Here, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. Now, I ordered this model yesterday, and it arrived today because thanks to Amazon Prime. But yeah, let's cut this open, and it's a model here. Let's see what's in here. I'll put this up this way. Oh, there's like adhesive on the thing. Okay. Oh, yeah, this is. So. Okay. Ooh, there's bubble wrap in here. Hang on. See if I can do it. Let's see if I can pop this. Darn it. No, I couldn't pop any, but what did you get? Oh, it's the, it's quite a bit bigger than I was expecting too. It's the British Airways 787-8 by Darren. So yeah, this is my first Darren mid-range actually. No, that's not true. It's my second Darren mid-range model after the Alitalia A330. So yeah, let's just I'll take this out. Why'd they have to put tape on here? Seriously? Here. Okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. Fingernail. Okay. There's also a registration on here, which is pretty neat. Golf, Zulu, Bravo, Juliet, Alpha. So, yeah. Cut these. Bam. Bam. And bam. There we go. Okay, it's out. Now let's review it from the which side is this? Brain dead for a second. Yeah, let's review it from the left side. So, to start off, I'm going to use my scissors to point. We have the cockpit window, British Airways ribbon, L1 door, British Airways titles, first class, engine 1 in the left wing, business class, L2, economy, L3, and the British Airways on the tail. We also got the registration there. As I said, Golf, Zulu, Bravo, Juliet, Alpha. But, yeah, this is a nice model. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Sorry for my hair. It's wet. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.